It's so cool out here. Go home and eat them. They're warm too. They're like gooey and.
You ready?
Yeah.
Let's roll.
Let's roll, baby. It smells so good. Hello.
Hola.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We are at the Denver Zoo.
Denver Zoo.
We're walking back to the car because Nick forgot his camera, but then we're gonna go check in and go see baby rhinos and sloths.
Supposedly they do zoomies.
Yeah, supposedly. Baby
We'll
rhinos. Baby rhinos do baby rhino zoomies, and I'm here to confirm or deny that. So we'll see after today. Ta-da! Unbelievable butts. How is it that nature's just as beautiful? Makes my heart happy.